video. In today's video I'm going to be doing it's a pretty easy set actually. I've got several colours here from Madam Glam. I'm going to show you which ones I've got. I've got Perfect Yellow. I tried to pick more current colours because I'm worried that some of the other colours that I've got are perhaps discontinued. Bright Barbie Pink is the pink colour. They've got loads of nice pinks. Green Highlighter. I really like this one. How nice is that? Boat Trip. I like this one too. And Light Lilac. This is obviously going to be my favourite because it's a purple tone. And the blue, which is Pure Cloud. This is a really nice soft pastel blue. So these are the colours that I'm going to be using. I've also got my tips ready. I'm only going to do 4 tips. No, I do 5 tips in the end. The glitter I'm using is of course from Nail Sugar. This one's called Snow Globe and it's bloody gorgeous. This is one of my favourites. I think everyone needs this one in their set, in their collection. I've also got these Silver Hollow Stars from Nail Sugar. I don't end up using these. I was going to use them. The plan was to use them and I just forgot to use them. So anyway, they are available from Nail Sugar as well if you want them. So to start with, I do this particular design in 2 different ways. I thought I'd see what it looked like. This is the first way that I'm going to do it, that I'm going to show you. So I'm applying Pure Cloud to my tip. I'm going to do 2 coats. So the first coat I will cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So you can see it's a nice soft colour. And now we're going in with our second coat. There we go. So I'm not going to cure the second coat. Don't cure that yet. Can you see that I've already done, I tried to do a marble, but I used all the colours and they just didn't marble nice. I think I used too many colours. So I'm going to do this one slightly differently to how I would normally do a marble. I'm applying a blob of each colour, apart from the blue, the soft blue, to my palette. This is from Nalchemy. And then I'm taking my detailer brush, my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, and I'm just picking up a little bit of colour on the brush, and I am just going to start to work that through the uncured blue. So this would be, instead of using like a blooming gel, I thought, I wonder what would happen if I just put it straight on the blue gel polish. I'm going to just, when I dip into a different colour, I do wipe off my brush. Now when I clean my brush, all I usually do is just squeeze it between 2 pieces of paper towel. If I am a little bit worried that some of the colour might still be left in the bristles, I will just wipe it through a little bit of base coat or a little bit of top coat, and then just squidge it through 2 pieces of paper towel as well. So it's not, I don't use any brush cleaners or anything on this brush. So yeah, so we are just picking up. I didn't want to pick up too much of this colour because this was a quite dark colour. If I were to do it again, I would have gone with a slightly lighter turquoise. But that one's quite a dark one. But I'm just going to use my brush to ever so slightly marble the colours together. I'm not going to go mad. I don't want to go mad and just sort of like little swipes through the brush, through the gel polish every now and then I thought I'd add a little bit more of that green up here. So just keep playing with it until you're happy. There we go. I think I'm going to pretty much leave mine like that. Once you're happy, pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I was going to say 60 then, for 30 seconds. Then I am going to apply another 2 coats of the blue. So on this set, the design is basically going to be on the 3 middle nails, and then the 2 end nails, so your pinky and your thumb, are going to be just plain blue, just the Pure Cloud. This nail, I thought I would try the blooming gel. I just wondered if it made a massive difference putting it into the gel polish, the uncured gel polish, as opposed to putting it in this blooming gel. So yeah, so again, you don't cure blooming gel, you just leave that. You put your colour in your blooming gel, and then as it does exactly what it says on the tin, the gel polish sort of blooms, it kind of disperses a bit, and it helps spread that colour. So I am putting this on the blooming gel. So what I'm doing though on this now is I'm putting it on diagonally again, but I'm only putting it on the bottom half of the nail. So this nail is going to go to the left of that full marbled nail. And again, I want to get all the colours in, but I'm only putting a little smidge of that darker, I can't think what the colour was, that dark turquoise. Okay, and you can add more colour where you want. There we go. So I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for a full 30 seconds. Okay, so you can see that's going to be the left one, and then the full marble is going to be the centre nail. I'm now using Madam Glam's base coat, so I'm going to put a nice even thin coat of this over the full nail. And what I like to do is if I'm using gel polish, if I'm using glitter in my sets, I like to put the glitter into a layer of base coat. So I'm going to take this snow globe glitter, and again I'm going to use the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of the base coat on the end of my brush. And then what I'll do is I'll dip it into that glitter, and this is a little bit well, it's actually not that time consuming. I'm sort of picking up the glitter as I want it, and I'm going to put it on the nail where I want it. Now on the nail that I'm doing now, I want it to be in a swoosh, so I'm going to kind of follow that marble line down and swoosh it around a little bit, and then swoosh it up a little bit. Loads of swooshing going on. So I'll let you watch me do this for a minute. There we go. So we've got a little glitter swoosh going on. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. And then for this full marble nail, I am going to put some little lines of glitter, like following the way that the marble flows. It just looks nicer like that. And I'm going to do I'll do about 3 lines of glitter on this, and then I'll let you watch, and I will get back to you. There we go. So I've just got like 3 lines, of glitter following through that marble. Cure that in the lamp. So this is the end, 2 of the end nails. So as you see, I'm just doing some blue nails, and then we're going to go in with the second coat, and then give those a full cure for 30 seconds. And then, oh, hang on, what am I doing here? Oh, right, yeah, no, okay, I'm getting confused. So this is going to be the marble nail on the right side of that full marble. So I'm going in with the blooming gel again. I kind of like using the blooming gel. I don't think there's anything wrong with putting the colour into that uncured gel polish, but I find the blooming gel is what it's there for. So this now, I'm going to put the marble at the top end here. So again, I'm going to work the colours through. I'm not overworking them because I don't want them to smoosh together. I found that when I done that, because I'm using so many colours, I think because I'm using so many colours, when I do my normally I'll pick some of it up on my ombre brush and work the marble through. But I think because I had too many colours, it didn't quite. Maybe I mixed them up too much. I don't know. But I slightly preferred this way, using all these colours. I preferred this way. So yeah, so I'm going to let you watch this, and I'll catch up with you in a jiffy. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that and pop it in the lamp to cure. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole base coat and glitter thing with this one. And this is, yeah, all right. I tell you another thing as well that I didn't show. I actually went over the marbled nails with the glitter on. I went over them with a layer of Madam Glam's Pure Serenity, which is their clear builder gel, just because I want a nice smooth nail. So I'm just using my file just to file that nail smooth. I'm not filing too hard because it's quite soft, and I'm using a 100 grit file, which I don't really need. But anyway, then I buff it, and now we're ready to top coat. So I decided that I was going to go for a full-on matte set because I really like iridescent glitter matte top coated. So I'm gonna do matte, but I'll show you just before I put them in the lamp. I'll show you what they look like so that you can see them shiny. So imagine that's what they'd look like if they were shiny. I'm running out of this top coat very quickly. I think I use matte top coat quite a lot. So there we go. That's what they look like, shiny. Pop them in the lamp, and I'll give you a, oh yeah, I'm going to put them all nicely, display them nicely for you to have a look at. So this is them finished. I actually really like this set. It was really easy to do. It's just a really nice, easy marble gel polish. Anyway, I hope you liked them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget you can get 10% off any nail sugar glitter using my code NATMUG10, and 30% off, I was gonna say 20, 30% off Madam Glam using my code NATMUG30. Yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you liked it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Love you, bye.